Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, mbrace Connect remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, mbrace 2 external memory control, driver and passenger memory seats, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,